Hey, it's Laura with your latest tech update. They grow up so fast. It feels like only yesterday we were getting excited about the arrival of Windows 11. And now we're looking forward to Windows 12. It could be arriving as soon as next year, and our sources are hinting at some very cool developments. It's kind of obvious, but we're expecting a big focus on AI. That won't just help make tasks simpler, but it'll boost productivity if our computer can anticipate what we're going to do next. Security will get another boost, and updates will be speedier. That's thanks to the way Windows will be divided into separate components. It will allow updates to run in the background and make some parts inaccessible to different people for better security. Windows will also become more modular. That means low-powered devices can access just the elements they need, whereas high-powered devices will get the full Windows experience. We'll keep you updated as we hear more, and if you haven't moved to Windows 11 yet, now's the time. Get in touch if you need any help or advice. That's your tech update. More next week.